Hi guys, ever wondered why the Shira at top tier Goan hotels is so much smoother, glossier and more delicious than the one we make at home? Today I am pulling back the curtains on the hotel style Goan Sheera. We are talking about the melt in the mouth texture that stays soft for hours. So now without wasting any time, let's begin. So first in a hot pan add 2 tablespoons ghee or clarified butter. Then add 35 to 40 golden raisins, 35 to 40 cashew nuts and fry it until it is nice and golden brown. When ready, simply remove it in a separate plate, which we are going to use this later. Then in the same pan, add 1 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter. Add 1 cup semolina or rava and then give it a nice mix. Then add 4 cloves and dry roast the semolina for about 4 to 5 minutes. Make sure the flame is on medium to low. You want the semolina to give that nice roasted aroma. Then add 3 cups warm water and then give it a nice mix and cook it until everything is well combined. Make sure that there are no lumps. Also, make sure the flame is not too high. Then add 1 pinch saffron, 1 pinch green cardamom powder, add some salt to taste, add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and then give it a nice mix and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure you get that nice aroma of saffron and green cardamom. Then add 1 cup white sugar and then give it a nice mix. You want the sugar to nicely melt with the semolina and keep on cooking it and mixing it continuously. Cook until it gets nice and thick like a paste. Then at this point add the fried cashew nuts and raisins and then give it a nice mix and cook it until it starts to leave the sides of the pan. As you can see that it has left the sides of the pan. Then add 1 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter. You can add 2 tablespoons also if you like more ghee. Then give it a nice mix and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. So the hotel style Goan Sheera is ready. Always make sure to serve the Shira hot. Simply take a bowl and fill it with Shira and simply demold it on the plate. You will also get a nice perfect round shape. And there you have it guys, hotel style Goan Sheera that is as beautiful to look at as it is to eat. Just look at that professional glossy finish and it's incredibly moist thanks to the perfect ghee to water ratio we used. And that green cardamom powder and saffron which we used in the recipe takes it to the next level. I hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.